Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of unsaturated carboxylic acids requires identifying the longest carbon chain containing both the carboxylic acid group and the double bond, numbering from the end closest to the principal characteristic group, ChO, and citing the double bond position as a locant. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structure. The compound is CH3, CH is equal to CH, ChO. It has 4 carbons in the chain, C1, ChO carbon, C2, C3, C4, CH3. Moving on to the next step. Assign the parent chain. The longest chain containing ChO and the C is equal to C is 4 carbons parent name, butanoic acid but OIC acid. And for the final step, number the chain. The carboxylic acid carbon gets the lowest locant, so it is C1. The chain is C1, ChO, C2 is equal to C3, C4, CH3. Locate the double bond. The double bond is between C2 and C3, so it is named but 2N1 OIC acid. The 1 refers to the C1 position of the acid, which by convention is indicated by OIC acid itself, so the name is but 2N1 OIC acid. The double bond starts at C2 and the acid group is at C1. Evaluate options. A. But 1N4 OIC acid, wrong numbering, would place double bond at C1 and acid at C4, which contradicts the rule that ChO gets C1. B. 1-hydroxy but 2N1-1, this would be a ketone aldehyde with hydroxyl, not a carboxylic acid, incorrect. C. But 2N1 OIC acid, double bond between C2 and C3 carboxylic acid at C1, this correctly describes CH3, CH is equal to CH, ChO. Correct. D. But 2N4 OIC acid, placing the acid at C4 is incorrect numbering. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.